This is a very hard to find Joos DLP 135 5-foot by 10-foot end loading feed-through press. The in-feed belt conveyor is 130 inches long by 63 inches wide. The pressing surface measures 63 inches by 124 inches with a 7.87 inch thickness capacity. These are the old PLATENS, as we have installed new upper and lower Elcom Ogotherm Plus PLATENS plus insulation panels, and we even replaced the Mylar. So basically the PLATENS on this machine are perfectly flat. This Joos press also comes with dual tool temp heaters. The outfeed roller table measures 128 inches by 66 inches. The right side of the foot pedal momentarily jogs the infeed conveyor when pressed, while a tap on the left side of the foot pedal discharges the press belt. From the controls, you can cycle between 4 and 6 cylinders, with those cylinders being 90 millimeters in diameter. By hitting the automatic start, the infeed will work in unison with the press belt to load the press and press the material. Hitting the open press button will open the press and discharge the panel onto the outfeed. Pressure can be adjusted via the front control knob. The outfeed does have pop-up crossfeed rollers,